Papa called that little boy Nate, raced him on the banks on the river Bay. A houseboat tied to a big tall tree, a home for my mama and my papa and me. The clock strikes sweet, Papa jumps to his feet. Already mama's cooking Papa something to eat. At 1:30, Papa, he's all ready to go. He jumps in this barricade on a bayou. Gonna fish a line strung across the Louisiana River. Gonna catch a big fish for us to eat. Making traps in the swamps, catching anything he can. Gonna make a living, he's a Louisiana man. Gonna make a living, he's a Louisiana man. Muskrat pie, singing by the dozen. Even got a lady make a muskrat's cousin. Got him out drying in a hot, hot sun. Tomorrow Papa gonna turn them into mom. And my daddy Jack, and little baby brother on the floor, that's me. Brandon and Lynn are the family twins. Big brother Eddie's on a bayou fishing. On the river floats Papa's great big boat. That's how Papa goes into town. Takes every bit of a night and day to even reach a place where the people stay. I can hardly wait until tomorrow comes around. That's the day Papa brings the first to town. Papa promised me that I could go, even let me see a cowboy